So we're out here at Center Creek. We're to see if we can't try to catch anything. We got permission from Department of Conservation to be out here to go overnight fishing, so I don't know how late we're going to be out, but what we're going to end up doing is we're going to try to catch some monsters if possible. So I'm going to go ahead and flip the camera around. Of course, you can see my pole in the way. Give you the idea of what's going on. Got me a snagging rod set up. And this is a deep hole here that I'm fishing. Hopefully I can catch a flathead or some sort of catfish or some sort of big fish out of here.